Hello everyone, good evening. Today I have been discuss about how to creating Python virtual environment in Windows. So actually what is virtual environment? In technical definition, a virtual environment is a Python environment that is an isolated working copy of Python, which ultimately allows you to work on a specific project without affecting other projects. Let's say you have engaged with different projects or bunch of projects, okay, and you need to install different types of Python modules with different versions. So, if you do not create any virtual environment, then it would be effect on your module version. That's why you need to create Python virtual environment to work in safely in development process. So basically it is a tool that enables multiple side-by-side installation of Python. Okay. So let's implement it in a project. So it is my code base and I want to create a virtual environment in this code base. After that, I will install the requirement of this module, of this project's module. Okay. So let's start. Let's say if you want to create virtual environment, then at first you need to install virtual env in your system. So I will install it. So for installing it, you need to command pip install virtual env. Then press enter. Okay. After that, you need to create the environment name. Okay. You already create a virtual environment, then you need to create the specific environment name. So now, in whichever directory you are, just write down this line virtual env. Okay. I said the name is my env. So press enter. Okay. So you already create the environment in your system. So that's the environment. Okay. I create my env. It's already created here. After that, I need to activate this environment. Let's say if you have different types of environment, if you create different environment in your same code base, then you want to activate a specific one. For that, you need to activate the specific environment name. Okay. For that, my env scripts and activate. So press enter. Okay. Uh, my env scripts scripts. Okay. I read the system is flashing. Just send it, and then I'll press enter. That it's create my environment. Okay, my env. Now, as I said, I'll install the requirement file in this environment. So for installing the requirement file, you need to command. You already activate your virtual environment, right? then you need to install your requirement file. So for that, just write down pip install -r requirements.txt. Just enter the button and it will take the all requirement file installation in the virtual environment. So it's just started is said that is so collecting all the module and its versions which already write down in requirements file. It takes some time, but you already activate it. Okay. Oh, one thing I want to share with you. If you creating virtual environment in your Linux, then you just use sudo apt-get install python pip. At first you need to install pip in your system. Then just install environment like pip install virtual env, same as Windows, which I write down. After that, you just check your installation or virtual environment versions. For that, virtual env dash version. Okay, so I already activate my env virtual environment, name my env. So I want to deactivate it. So for that, you just write down deactivate. Okay, that's the here you see I already close the loop of virtual my env and I out of the environment right now. So that's the system. You can execute your virtual environment in your code base and install all your project module and version. So thank you everyone. See you in next tutorial.